So our fish have been in this tank, in our 120-gallon tank, for about maybe a week and a half now. And we have a pair of jewel cichlids who have bred before, but being in this tank for only a week and a half, we didn't expect to see this. We have wrigglers already, which are basically the step between eggs and fry. So it's kind of amazing to see. It's particularly amazing since they've only been in the tank for a very short time. So we should have baby jewel cichlids again pretty soon. Show you the whole tank. Around the corner. It's kind of dark because the light's not on yet this morning. A couple turtles in there too. We also have in there their last group of offspring. There's a couple of them, which they're still kind of little, but they grow really fast. And it's just kind of cool to see. Well, maybe I'll do another video when they get to be fry.